A very good evening to all of you. Respected Sri R.C. Nair, IS Principal Secretary of Dr. Punjab, Department of Labour, and Mr. Hirak Datta, DG OSD, and especially Mr. Kamaleshwar Saran, who is the Chairman of the Green Tech Foundation, all my senior colleagues present here from ONGC and other industries, and ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I am really privileged to be here as invited by Mr. Saran to be present, and either today or tomorrow I accepted that I'll be available on 12th because I have some engagement tomorrow, and after that, of course, on 14th I have to go to Jaipur for our own review meeting of onshore assets. So I have a limited time, so I thought that I'll be able to make it on 12th. Though Mr. Saran was involved, I know this Green Tech Foundation doing great job for the country, doing various awards, encouraging the community, encouraging the industries, and doing a lot of job. But every time he was inviting me, but I was unable to attend many of his award ceremonies. Last year, though we were supported, but though I committed that I may be there, but last moment I could not make it. But this time I thought that because this is my last year, next year he may not invite me at all also, because I will be not in position. So I am also laying my office after 2.5 months. So anyway, I will be involved with the industry, and then I will be getting more time to participate in such type of function if invited. Anyway, I am here today, and as I see this, what is the theme was Mr. Saran, this Green Tech Foundation was working on the fire, safety and the security. I believe these three parts, three activities are most strongly applicable to my industry, where from I am, that is called ENP industry, exploration and production. Because in our industry, we are dealing with a very difficult product, it is a hazardous product we are handling. So this type of incident, all this point, fire, safety and security is very much applicable. I'll just talk about the fire first. Because of, as we handling the volatile product, oil and gas, so definitely there is a lot of incidents happens in our organization, and especially in case of well drilling itself, we have got sometime well fire, which is we call blowout. That means well is blowing, that means uncontrolled flow of oil and gas, which cannot be controlled, though there is a preventive measures available in the rig from the equipment as well as from the operation point of view. It has a safety devices are available. Sometimes it happens that those devices did not work when we encounter some sort of unabnormal pressure. So beyond that pressure, when this equipment cannot hold, or sometimes people negligence also let it happen, and ultimately there is a fire in well. These are called blowout. And this type of incidents were happening in many occasions in the past in our organization. And this type of fire incident not only affects the what's called equipment, also at the same time we sometimes lost the human life, which is more dangerous. And these things happen not only on oil drilling, at the same time this type of incident happens in our process complex also sometimes because of uncontrolled management of the well productivity. That time also during workover operations this type of incident happened. We may sometimes lost our rigs, as well as sometimes we have lost platform also. One incident I can myself example of that, because that platform I was there. That B121 one platform, I think of my colleagues, those who are from ONGC, they will be knowing that. B120 platform where we have got 5 isolated platforms, 5 wells were there. There is a problem in one particular well. We went to that well to go for workover job. I was personally present, but ultimately during workover we could find that there is uncontrolled flow of oil and gas, not oil and gas. Initially water flow started in another well, which is coming out from the outer annulus, where we cannot do anything because there is no equipment to control it. So ultimately that moment I was in the platform, I have decided immediately, I understood that this is a blowout, nobody can control it, let us evacuate the platform as quickly as possible. Within 2 hours, we have evacuated that platform, tried to bring the rigs to the safe condition. Whatever we could do, what possible we did, and ultimately we evacuated the platform. But after 3.5 hours of evacuation, the platform caught fire. Ultimately, we lost the platform. But ultimately, we could control those blowing platform by drilling some relief well. Relief well means we have to drill different well from a distance and connect that blowing well at the bottom and kill that well. So that was type of, we have done it. So this type of incidents are happening many occasions. In the 2008, we lost our